Hello YouTube, this is Moriarty and this is another unboxing. This segment is going to be called the Fallout series. So my next few items are going to be all Fallout related, and I just got a package about 10 minutes ago, and I'm going to open it up now and show you what I got. And I know what it is. I'm kind of a little bit excited. I'll show you what it came with. I'll show you some photos and what the finished product will look like when I eventually get to paint it. And hopefully I can do a later video of me putting the items together. Okay. In a nice little plastic bag and lots of paper wrapping, you know how they usually go. Many pieces here, but I'm not sure if you can see it. This might give you a clue on it might be Fallout related. Anybody know? Other piece, another. Basically, it's going to go somewhere along this line. Does it look familiar now for all you Fallout fans? Actually, it's a 3D printed of Pipboy. Pip. Sorry, I always say Pipboy. It's Pipboy. And this will actually work with my Samsung phone, which I'll have to download later next month, which I'm kind of looking forward to. So, I'll show some pictures of it right now. And what the finished product will look like. There. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and to see some more in the near future. So if you smack it, like it, and see you next time.